Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand logical operators in C. The concept of relational operators and equality operators has already been discussed in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. In this class, we will try to understand logical operators. The logical operators are of three types. One is logical and the symbol used is two ampersands, and logical or two pipes used, and the logical not, which is exclamatory mark, and this is a unary operator, and these two are binary operators, means it should have two operands. Binary operators means two operands are used, and for this also two operands, for this only one operand is used. Now coming to this class, so now we will try to understand what is the logic for logical and. Logical and means that if both the expressions, if both the values of the operands evaluates to be true, then only the logical and is true. For example, if you take this logical and operator, if both the operands of the logical and operator evaluates to be true, if both of them evaluates the output as true, then only it is going to produce an output of 1. So for this only it is going to produce an output of 1, and if any one of the operand evaluates to be 0, for example, if this is 0 and this is 1, then it is going to evaluate an output of 0, and if this is 1 and this is 0, then it is going to produce an output of 0, and similarly if this is 0 and this is 0, if both of them are zeros, then also it is going to evaluate the output to be 0. If the operands, or it may be the expressions used, the operands used for the logical and operator, or the expressions used produces an output of 1 on both the sides, then only it is going to produce an output of 1. That is the logic of logical and operator. Similarly, so let's try to understand this by this example. Here the value of a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. A not equal to 0. Is a not equal to 0? Yes, the value of a is 4. 4 is not equal to 0. It is true. So this expression evaluates the output as 1. And what is this expression? A plus b greater than 5. 4 plus 3, 7 greater than 5. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So it also evaluates the output as 1. And if both the values evaluate the output as 1, then only this logical and operator is going to produce an output of 1. So the output of this entire expression is going to be 1, because the expressions, the operands expression, the evaluation of the operators is going to produce outputs of 1, and whenever both the operands produces an output of 1, then only it is going to produce an output of 1. That is the logic of logical and. Okay, next one is logical or. So this is the symbol, double pipe, two pipe symbols on the keyboard is going to be used as the logical or operator. What is the operator? What is the logic behind logical or operator is, if any one of the expression, any one of the operands produces an output of 1, then the output of this entire expression, the logical or, is going to produce an output of 1. So what it means is, if this expression evaluates 0 and this expression evaluates 1, so if any one of the expression evaluates the output as 1, then the output of this entire expression is going to be 1. Okay, so that is the logic for logical or. If both of them are ones, then also it is going to produce an output of 1. If this is the case, 1 and 0, it is going to produce an output of 1. If this is the case, 0 and 0, then it is going to produce an output of 0. This is the operation. This is how the logical or will operate. Let's try to understand this by using this example. Here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. Is a equal to 0? No. So this expression evaluates an output of 0. As we have already discussed, the relational and equality operators. This is an equality operator. This is an relational operator. Relational and equality operators always produces the outputs as either 0 or 1, either true or false. If it is 0, then it is false. If it is 1, then it is true. Okay, so and what this expression evaluates, it evaluates a plus b, so it is true. 7 greater than 5, it is true. So this entire expression, what is the output of this entire expression? If any one of the input is, if any one of the operand is 1, it is going to produce an output of 1. As we have one operand's value as 1, so the output is 1. So this is how the logical OR gets evaluated. So these concepts are very important to understand, because as and when we write the complex expressions, so we need to evaluate ourselves and we have to write those expressions. Okay, and the next one is logical NOT operator. So what this logical NOT operator? Logical NOT operator is a unary operator. It means only one operand is used, and logical NOT operator is going to produce the negation of the expression evaluation. So whatever the expression or the operand has been evaluated, so that values, negated value will get generated, and it is also called as logical negation. Okay, so the expression, the symbol used is exclamatory mark. Check this output. So what it is going to produce is, here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. A is equal to 4. So is 4, the value of a is equal to 4? Yes. Here it is equality operator. Here 4 is equal to 4. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So it is this expression, the output of this expression is going to be 1, and negation symbol is used, means the opposite of that expression's evaluation will be the output of this entire expression. So this entire expression evaluates the output as 0. The negation of 1 is 0. The complement of 1 is 0. The complement of 0 is 1. Okay, so now a equal to 0. Is a equal to 0? Is 4 equal to 0? No, it is not. So it is going to produce an output of 0. As the negation symbol is used with 0, so the output of this expression evaluation will be negated. So this expression will get evaluated as 1. And is used, means both the expression should evaluate to 1. So this should be 1 and this should be 1. Then only it is going to produce an output of 1. And a plus b greater than 5. 4 plus 3, 7 greater than 5. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So it is going to produce an output of 1. So 1, logical and 1. So what it is going to produce? It is going to produce an output of 1. Okay, so this is all about logical operators, and this is the basic way in which the logical operators will get executed. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. And one more thing that we have to understand is, in our previous example we have seen I less than j less than k, and this is how the relational operators can be used, but it is logically seems to be right, but there is some way the logical evaluation of this expression is going to be different, in a different way. For example, if I is equal to 2, j is equal to 3 and k is equal to 4, and how it will get evaluated, this we have already discussed in our previous video. So the output of this expression is going to be 1 less than 4, but what we are expecting from this expression, what we are expecting is 2 less than 3 less than 4. So 3 has to be evaluated with 4, but it is not happening in that way. The output of this expression will be evaluated with 4. So this is not we are expecting. So these kind of problems can be solved by using logical AND operator. So how this expression can be rewritten is, it is I less than j and j less than k. So now this is what we are expecting. The actual evaluation of this expression will get evaluated by using this expression. How it happens is I less than 2 less than 3, and what we are expecting is j has to be evaluated with 4. The value of j has to be evaluated, has to be compared with 4. So 3 less than 4. If both of them evaluates to be true, then it is going to produce an output of 1. So is it true? Yes, 2 is less than 3, 1, and 3 is less than 4, it is 1. So 1 and 1, it is going to produce an output of 1. So this is all about logical operators. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.